Okay, so today we're going to string green beans. Not our favorite chore, but certainly one of our favorite vegetables here in the South at least. And so these are greasy green beans. It's more of an Appalachian green bean that's grown a lot in the mountains. And so I want to show you how I like to string them. And of course that means we got to take out that big string. And if it's very mature, a lot of times it's easier to string than when it's young. So I like to take just the back side here of the bean. And you can see it kind of curves in like a C. So I'm going to go along the outside first at the top. I'm going to cut at a diagonal until I just start to feel that string. And I'm going to pull it down like this. And I'm going to stop just before I get to what you call the blossom end. And then we'll give it a turn. Come in at that string again. Cut at the blossom end till you feel the string. And then pull it this way. Okay, and you should come out with one long string that you had all the way around the green bean. And then I'll just give them a quick chop chop into my bowl and on to the next one. Okay, so here's another one. It is rounded here, so we're going to go on the outside, and I'll start at the stem end, and I want to go in at an angle, stem end, till I just start to feel that string. It's harder to do this when it's when I'm trying to show you how to do it. It's like teaching someone how to drive because you do it so fast all at one time. So we stop pulling the string right before the blossom end. Then I'm going to go back in there and I'm going to get that at a diagonal, pull it towards the stem end. There's a stringed green bean and there is the string. Okay, so I hope that helps you. Thanks for watching.